In this section, we will delve into the various types of cyber threat intelligence. Understanding these types will enable organizations to make informed decisions about their cybersecurity strategies. 1. Tactical threat intelligence. Tactical threat intelligence is the most granular and immediate form of threat intelligence. It focuses on the technical aspects of threats, such as indicators of compromise, tactics, techniques, and procedures used by threat actors. The primary purpose of tactical threat intelligence is to provide actionable information that helps security teams detect, respond to, and mitigate ongoing or imminent cyber attacks. Examples: phishing campaigns. Tactical threat intelligence can identify common phishing email patterns and malicious links or attachments, allowing organizations to block such emails and protect their users from falling prey to phishing scams. Malware analysis. Security teams can use tactical intelligence to analyze malware samples and understand their behavior, such as how they propagate, communicate with command and control servers, and evade detection. This information enables organizations to develop effective countermeasures against specific malware threats. The exploit detection. By understanding the TTPs of threat actors, tactical threat intelligence can help security teams identify potential vulnerabilities in their systems and applications and apply patches or other remediation measures before they are exploited. Incident response. In the event of a cyber attack, tactical intelligence provides crucial information on the nature of the attack, allowing incident response teams to contain the threat and minimize damage swiftly. 2. Operational threat intelligence. Operational threat intelligence refers to the detailed information about specific cyber threats and the methods used by adversaries to carry out their attacks. It helps organizations understand how cybercriminals operate, their tactics, techniques, and procedures, as well as their goals and motivations. The purpose of operational threat intelligence is to provide organizations with the necessary context to effectively detect, respond to, and analyze ongoing or imminent cyber attacks, reducing their overall impact on the organization. Examples: identifying advanced persistent threats. Operational threat intelligence can help security teams identify and track advanced persistent threats, sophisticated, targeted attacks by skilled adversaries. By providing insights into the TTPs of app groups, operational intelligence enables organizations to strengthen their defenses against these threats. Analyzing spear phishing campaigns. Spear phishing campaigns are targeted attacks designed to trick victims into divulging sensitive information or installing malware. Operational threat intelligence helps organizations analyze the tactics used in spear phishing campaigns, enabling them to better detect and mitigate such attacks. Uncovering ransomware attacks. Ransomware attacks can cripple an organization's operations by encrypting their data and demanding a ransom for its decryption. With operational threat intelligence, security teams can identify the specific ransomware strain used in an attack, allowing them to respond more effectively and develop targeted mitigation strategies. Tracking cyber espionage operations. Cyber espionage is the act of stealing sensitive information from an organization for political, economic, or military gain. Operational threat intelligence can help organizations identify and track the TTPs used by cyber espionage groups, allowing them to protect their valuable data and assets more effectively. 3. Strategic threat intelligence. Strategic threat intelligence is the high-level, long-term analysis of cyber threats that aims to provide decision makers with valuable insights into the broader cyber threat landscape. This form of intelligence focuses on understanding the trends, motives, and intentions of threat actors, as well as the global, regional, or industry specific factors that drive these threats. The purpose of strategic threat intelligence is to help organizations improve their overall risk management, allocate resources efficiently, and develop effective cybersecurity strategies. Examples: industry specific threat landscape analysis. Strategic threat intelligence can provide insights into the most common types of cyber threats faced by a specific industry, such as healthcare, finance, or retail. This helps organizations identify the most significant risks relevant to their sector and prioritize their security investments accordingly. Emerging threat trends and predictions. By analyzing historical threat data and identifying patterns, strategic threat intelligence can predict emerging threats and trends. For instance, it can help organizations anticipate the rise of new ransomware families, exploit kits, or nation-state sponsored cyber attacks. Geopolitical risk analysis. Strategic threat intelligence can also help organizations understand the geopolitical factors that influence cyber threats, such as tensions between nation states, regional conflicts, or economic sanctions. This information can be crucial for organizations operating in multiple countries or regions, as it helps them anticipate potential cyber attacks driven by geopolitical motives. The tailored threat actor profiles. Strategic threat intelligence can provide organizations with detailed profiles of threat actors, including their motivations, objectives, and capabilities. This information can help organizations understand the intent behind cyber attacks, enabling them to develop more targeted and effective defense strategies. For technical threat intelligence. Technical threat intelligence refers to the information about specific technical indicators of compromise that can be used to identify and prevent cyber threats. It focuses on the detailed, technical aspects of malicious activities such as malware signatures, IP addresses, domain names, and network protocols associated with cyber attacks. The primary purpose of technical threat intelligence is to provide actionable data that can be used by security teams to detect, prevent, and respond to cyber threats in real time. Examples: A. Malware analysis. When a new piece of malware is discovered, technical threat intelligence helps security researchers reverse engineer the code and identify its key attributes, such as its methods of infection, communication protocols, and payload delivery mechanisms. This information can be used to develop specific countermeasures, such as antivirus signatures and firewall rules, to protect against the malware. B. Threat hunting. Technical threat intelligence can be used by security teams to proactively search for signs of malicious activity within their environment. By leveraging technical indicators of compromise, security analysts can identify unusual patterns of behavior, such as unauthorized access attempts or data exfiltration, and take appropriate action to mitigate the threat. C. Phishing campaign detection. Phishing campaigns often rely on specific technical indicators, such as spoofed email addresses or malicious URLs, to deceive their victims. Technical threat intelligence can help security teams identify these indicators and implement measures, such as email filters and domain blacklists, to prevent phishing attacks from reaching their intended targets. The incident response. In the event of a cyber attack, technical threat intelligence plays a crucial role in enabling security teams to quickly understand the nature of the attack, identify the affected systems, and implement appropriate remediation measures. By analyzing the technical details of the attack, incident responders can develop a tailored response plan to minimize the impact and prevent future attacks. That's it for the different types of threat intelligence. In the next section, we will discuss about the threat intelligence lifecycle.